This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Vanguard multiplayer. First, navigate to the main menu and select the multiplayer option. You'll then see various game modes like Team Deathmatch, Domination, and Hardpoint. Choose a mode that sounds fun to you, perhaps Team Deathmatch for a straightforward experience. Once selected, the game will begin searching for a match, typically finding one within 30 seconds to 1 minute. Get ready for action. Next, let's talk about your loadout, which is crucial for success. You can customize your primary and secondary weapons, adding up to 10 attachments to each for improved accuracy, damage, or control. Don't forget to select 3 perks, offering unique advantages like faster health regeneration or silent footsteps. Finally, choose a field upgrade, a powerful ability that charges over time, such as a supply box or a tactical insertion. Experiment to find what works best for your playstyle. Now, let's dive into gameplay strategies. Understanding map layouts is key. Learn common routes and power positions. Practice your aiming and movement. Try to pre-aim around corners and slide cancel for quick repositioning. Effective communication with your team, even through pings, can turn the tide of battle. Focus on objective play in modes like Domination, securing and holding control points rather than just chasing kills. Teamwork makes the dream work. Finally, let's discuss advanced tactics and progression. Strategically deploy your kill streaks, like a 3-kill UAV to reveal enemy positions, or a 10-kill V2 rocket for a game-ending explosion. Complete daily and weekly challenges to earn experience points and unlock new weapons, attachments, and cosmetic items. Always adapt your playstyle based on the enemy team and the flow of the match. Continuous learning and practice will elevate your game to the next level, making you a formidable opponent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.